Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Hotjar for funnel behavior insights easy tutorial step by step clearly. Go to the Hotjar website. Click on the sign up button on the home page. Fill in your email address and create a password. Or use an existing Google or Apple account to sign up. Once registered, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Log into your Hotjar account using your email and password. Choose your plan based on your needs. Fill in your website details when prompted. Select the type of data you want to collect. Click on Continue to proceed. Install the Hotjar tracking code on your website. Copy the provided tracking code snippet. Paste the code into the header section of your website's HTML. Save the changes and publish your website. Return to your Hotjar dashboard. Wait for a few hours for data to start populating. Explore the funnel behavior insights available on your dashboard. Analyze user interactions and drop-off points within your funnel. Use these insights to optimize your website for improved conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.